To change your avatar or character on Among Us. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to click on this option right here, or it's the inventory. Now from here, it should take you to this page right here. You could choose any colors you want. For example, I'm gonna just go here, then click on EQ. You're gonna have to go on hats. You could choose anything you want, then do the same. You're gonna have to do the same thing for pants. Pick one, click on EQ. Do the same thing for glasses right here, face mask, for example. This one, I check on a lot. Once I pick that, I'm gonna just click on EQ. And you could do that for every single one that you like. You could also put a nameplate right here. For example, Instructify, as you guys can see, it said my nameplate, and I already have it cubed. You could also click on this one right here, all the way to the last one. You can see this right here. If you want, if you could click on activate if that's what you want. And that's basically how you change your avatar or character on Among Us Mobile. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.